Hey there, it's Lionel Tan here. Are you looking to start a business or a side hustle that doesn't take up much of your time, effort, and money? No, I'm not talking about e-commerce, dropshipping, or print or demand. Now, those do require a certain level of investment, time, and effort, right? But what if you could earn recurring income simply by teaching others a skill or expertise that you may already have? Whether it's cooking, baking, fitness, financial consulting, or teaching a musical instrument, as long as you're passionate about it, there's endless opportunities. And how can you go about doing this? Simply by starting your very own e-learning business. Now, you need to hear this. The e-learning industry has grown by leaps and bounds, a whopping 900% since the year 2000. In fact, Forbes reported that the online e-learning market is estimated to be worth $325 billion by 2025. Well, if you think about it, it's hardly surprising. People are used to doing almost everything online, from shopping to dating, and yes, even learning or picking up a brand new skill. Now, many of my students have started their e-learning business, monetizing their content and expertise. And I'm so happy that they found their success. Now take a look at Sam. He's one of our mentees. Now Sam is a 51-year-old retiree who used to be a software engineer. With his e-learning business, he now makes an average of $3,500 per speaking gig, sharing his passion in cryptocurrency. We have also helped Miss Yuan, a stock trading speaker, to close over $80,000 in sales in just 3 months over Zoom, and many more. They are not only able to generate income, and I'm talking about 5 figures recurring income and more, but they are also able to do this from the comfort of their own home. And most importantly, it is all automated. Now, if you'd like to know more, I'd like to invite you to the Next Level Creators Masterclass, where you'll learn how to become a creator and turn your hobby, passion, and skill set into a profitable online business. You'll learn strategies such as the lead generation machine and the creators formula, which can help you start and scale your e-learning business from scratch, even if you have no experience or content. Now, that's all for now. I hope you have learned about this amazing and unique opportunity. And who knows, I'm always on the lookout for new things to learn online, so I might even be learning from you. As always, I'll see you in the next one.